Okay, so this is the monitoring app that SolarEdge provides, and it will show you all the details of how much your solar is producing on a day-to-day basis or month-to-month, year-to-year, whatever. So we just scroll down a bit. You can see this one over here. We've got a lifetime energy since we installed this, which was, well, a couple of years ago now, this particular one. But we got 26.17 megawatt hours. That's 260,170 kilowatt hours in about 2 years. Of course, it's a good size system, I believe 30 panels. Anyway, current power 5.15 kilowatts. Today's energy 8.34 kilowatt hours. Now we're fairly early in the day. As you can see, scrolling down a little bit, we got, the 1st of May 2020, the 12th, that's today. We've got 8.34 kilowatt hours so far, but it's a sunny day. It'll be up to here by the end of the day, over 50 kilowatt hours by the end of the day. Scrolling down, okay, this is what we can see. The red is 2 years ago. That's when we installed in June. So it was late in June that we installed it. So there wasn't much production in 2018 in June, but in July, the red you can see. And it decreases as the days get shorter, obviously. The green is, that's just it. Green is 2020. The blue is 2019. And you can see it increases, or the green increases as the days get longer. And of course, green will, by the end of the month, look the same as blue, or about the same. Now, this is interesting. So anyway, you can go monthly, you can go yearly. Here we go. This is yearly. Okay, so this is what we produced per month this year. I could change it to 2019, whatever I wanted to do. You've got a full accounting here of everything that's happened. So this is last year. But now this is interesting. This is where you can see, this is because, as I mentioned before, they've got optimizers. And these are all of the panels on this customer's roof. So you can see on a per panel basis exactly what is happening at any time. And if there is any problem, the customer and us, we get an alert on SolarEdge saying, look, something's wrong. And it's most usually because an optimizer has gone out. And this always happens fairly early after the commission. If there's a problem, maybe an optimizer will go out and we'll get an alert. And of course, as soon as we get an alert, we fix it. It's all under the warranty, so there's no cost to the homeowner. Let's see, what else? Okay, that's that and that. Go back to the main dashboard. Yep, that's the monitoring. It's a great way. At the beginning, everybody likes to check out their output on a daily basis, but as you get used to the solar's production, you don't monitor it quite so often. But anyway, it's always there for you.